Hello, my name is Ika, and today we have had our third discussion. Before we have our discussion, we have meet our tutor, which is Miss Puspa, and she had guided us to do the musical right on the path. So after that, we have the discussion, and our teacher have discussed have discussed more detail about on the scene that we want to do for our musical. So basically, there's a lot of ideas came from each of us, which is what storyline that we want for our video musical, and then we also had been surprised that everyone need to sing. I thought that we can just lip sync from the music, but actually we have to sing the song and also have to change the lyrics, so it's quite a challenge. So other than that, well, it's really nice because we had get to change our idea, and we have decided to do the story about the hardship during our university life, and then try to mix it with the climax of love story. And I have give an idea to do the musical, which the situation is like a group of friends meet each other from different courses, and then they meet each other and then talking, and then they try to tell about their life story, which is during telling the life story, and then there will be a singing part. And then when when they tell the story, and then there will be a singing part, and then change to the other story, there will be a singing part. So there will be lot of different type of song that they're going to give. Yeah, that's my idea. So other than that, I think that the thing that we need to improve is that in terms of group dividing, because we still quite confused about our part yet. So because we didn't know the story systematically yet, so it's going to be next week. So yeah, that's my review for this week third meeting. So that's all from me, Ika. Bye bye. Thank you.